Baby, right? Yeah.
Here he is. Here he is. Don't scare the baby.
Girl, what's wrong? What happened? Oh.
You want some of this? You want some of this? Want a little bit?
It's Bruno's bath time. Didn't want to sit on the grass, so he sat on the chair instead. Can't believe this.
Damn.
So funny. Nicky Mouse. My little angel, my little love, I love you. I hold him up. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Every time my dad finishes a meeting, he says thanks guys, and I know it's time for a pat.
Thanks, guys.
Man, look at that.
You like this?
Oh, yeah.
Get your ass back. Just say hi. What do you think? You scared? You scared? No, we're not growling. Stop that. No, no.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
Whoa.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog.
Sa laki nit. दो मिनट रुक
Come, my little friends, as we all sing a happy little working song.
I need to talk to him today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Pek kardeş gibi. Abla pek kardeşe benzemiyor ama.
Came home early to surprise my girl with the bubble bath for Valentine's Day. What the hell?
Whoa, damn your girl so fine, but her breath is like whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Whoa.
Okay, pause.
Hey, yo, buddy, can I have some of that sparkling water, fool?
Was that a pretzel? I didn't know you was that flexible.